Well, I got my Ultra Dashcam back from Man, what a pain to deal with their customer service. I don't know what they're thinking, but it's very difficult, very long. You go back and forth in email. They do the basic help desk thing of, hey, do you have the latest updates? Like, yes, I do. And it's not like, it seemed like a lot of times they didn't even look at my email because there was a lot of like, so what's wrong with it? Like, I told you. I even included a YouTube video link, and you're still asking me, did you not watch it? And then once they approved and got authorization, which one of the weird things they make you do is take a picture of the QC code and the serial number on the bottom, and you're supposed to include your receipt. I'm like, it was a gift. I don't have a receipt. I mean, come on now. And they had to get a manager, I guess, involved, and it's like it's registered. I registered it when I got it, and they authorized it. Somebody finally said, like, okay. And maybe they saw my YouTube video at that point, but they authorized it. They gave me a return shipping label, and I kind of waited a while because it was during the holiday, so I kind of waited 5 days because of Christmas. Stuff wasn't moving really. So I'm like, okay, you get like 10 days to mail it. So I went ahead and shipped it. They got it January 4th. I kind of let a little time go, and then I sent an email saying, hey, where is it? And they were just like non-responsive. Simple question. Then I sent another email, hey, what's the status of my exchange? Where is it? And they came back with, hey, this case number is closed. The new case number is this. That's it. Didn't answer my question. So my response back was, you didn't answer my question. So where is my exchange? Still didn't hear anything back. And of course, it's taken a few days in between all this. So it's adding like another week and a half. Finally, January 16th, I have enough. I call them up, and the gal was very friendly and stuff. Said, hey, let me put you on hold. I'll go check. Came back, goes, I have to look at this more. I'll let you know in 30 minutes. In 25 minutes, she sent me an email, and yeah, I guess it went on to somebody else. And they got back to me the next day, and they said, hey, we're going to get that out to you in 2 days. We're so sorry. So I don't know what the deal was. It's probably best to call them because their email, man, whoever's handling their email, they're just lost. So I got the package. So let's open it up. Got this yesterday. Oh, and by the way, I should point this out. There's a hole in the side of it over here. So don't know what that's from. And it was shipped loose, as you'll see, because I just opened it. Apparently they sent me a whole new unit. That's nice. It has cellophane on it, so I'm guessing new. It is a Ultra Dashcam. And no packing material. So this thing was just bouncing around in there. Awful shipping. You know, this thing should be, they should have some bubble wrap because I sent the one back with bubble wrap. I didn't know they'd send a whole new one. Maybe that was just due to the fact maybe they didn't have any refurbished, and maybe somebody finally saw my YouTube video and was like, hey, maybe we should get this guy a new one. That's a possibility. So that means I'll probably have more accessories. So I'm not going to be able to test it right now, obviously, but it looks like I got it. It has the stickers on it. No fingerprint underneath. Yeah, I mean, that looks like a new unit. See, so box, get directions, more pamphlets. And if I recall, because they gave me a new unit, I guess I got a new 16 gig card. That's awesome. So, because they told you, don't send the memory card, don't send any of the cables. So I literally just bubbled up the old one and sent it in. So I got all these new cables. The install kit, I guess I'll just keep those in there. I don't need that part. I don't really need anything except I guess I'll use the new memory card because it's new, and yeah, install it. So you'll see some videos with me updating whether the picture quality is better and whether or not I have any issues with it freezing or anything. And I wonder if this is different. I'm gonna have to go back and look at my video, because that's the top mount. I thought the QC code was on the bottom, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not remembering correctly. And yeah, so I got it. Just a pain in the butt to deal with them. Would I buy an action camera? Well, that's the whole thing. This was $100 my mother-in-law got me for Christmas of 2017. And you know, the picture quality has always been fuzzy. I saw other complaints online. And now with the customer service being kind of difficult, you know, it's hard to say. I mean, I'd rather just buy a GoPro. The one time I had to deal with GoPro on the exchange on a Hero 3 Black edition that I used to film with, that was actually a replacement unit, was because their update froze the original unit that my wife had gotten me, and it bricked it. Their update bricked it. But I contacted GoPro and they were like, hey, you're within the year, you know, it was like 6 or 7 months or something, and we'll send you one time a new one. And I'm like, one time, but your software, that was the only part I had issue with. Your software bricked it. I don't care if this would have happened 2 years down the road. Your update bricks it. You're replacing it. I mean, that's how a company should work. But of course, you know, they get into the whole, that would probably be a different level than the kid I dealt with. But all I had to do was give my credit card. They sent me a new one, and I had so many days to return the old one, or I would be billed, and that was it. I mean, it was quite simple. I'm surprised there wasn't a solution like that for E to just take my credit card number and just send me a new one and say, if we don't get back the old one, then we're going to bill you for the new one. You know, that would make more sense, especially on dash cams where people kind of want them for emergencies, you know, to capture an accident that might happen while you're driving around. So they definitely need to improve on that. Would I get an action camera because of this experience? I don't know. I would probably look at other cameras and just stay with the GoPro, to be honest, just because the hassle with them was a lot less than with these guys. And that was kind of a test getting this unit. Would I ever get an action camera? How did this work? And plus the optics being kind of on the fuzzy side. So unless they improve that on the later versions, that would have me lead to believe that they don't put as much quality into their product like GoPro does. And I don't get paid by GoPro. I'm not sponsored by GoPro. I wish I could be sponsored by GoPro, but they're hard to get sponsored by because I've asked them at motorcycle events, and they're just like, yeah, unless you have a viral video, we just don't do that anymore. We don't have to. And they're right, they don't. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos, and it's up to you whether you get a action camera, dash cam, or whatever. Just realize customer service might be lacking. Have a good one. Bye.